We are 8 days away from hosting our first ever indoor European Christmas market here in Pennsylvania in the 152-year-old church we live in. And 8 days away, and I want to show you these adorable little ornaments that I'm working on. They're from recycled Christmas cards, and they're wonderful. You could also like stick a little treat in here, put a little tissue paper on the bottom, and they can be opened. And just using little Christmas cards, and you can really get creative with these. There's no right or wrong way to make them. I love them. I love how they feel. And you can create a little table scene with them. You can put them on your tree. And what I'm doing is taking the pieces and making up enough to cover our at least one side of this. We're going to be using the old toboggans, which we put beeswax on last night. We're going to be using the old toboggans for displaying things on. This way, laying them down horizontally, I think. And just so many projects. If you were in Pennsylvania, the old church is going to be beautifully decorated December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Locust Gap, Pennsylvania at the 1870. You definitely should come to our indoor European Christmas market. We're going to have a hot chocolate stand back there that has an incredible hot chocolate toppings bar. You're going to be surprised. We're going to have a whole table full of baked goods. You're going to want to come and spend some time in here. Ooh, and we have an organist who's going to be playing the organ, and it's free entry. So share this, like this, subscribe, please, 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 and come along and see how beautiful this place gets. The best, as always, is yet to come. See you here.